I'm sure you've heard the news. Free coding resources are now just a click away. Hey everyone! In this video, I've got something super exciting for you. Free programming code, output examples, and a comprehensive question bank. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned coder, these resources are designed to help you level up your skills. And the best part? They're all free. Just check the video description for all the download links. You'll find neatly organized files to make your learning experience smooth and enjoyable. Why pay for expensive courses and books when you can get top-notch resources for free? Dive into the code, experiment with the outputs, and challenge yourself with the question bank. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more coding tutorials and educational content. Stay tuned and happy coding!